One day out of Bend, may have broken my nicer camera, which stinks. I'm running out of space on my phone, so I gotta improvise. I want to keep on taking video. See what happens. It's gonna really stink if I can't take any more video up to Canada. I'll figure it out though. 2,000 miles done. Really starting to get clear in Mount Jefferson Wilderness. So out of Three Sisters. The rest of the week should be nice and sunny. Look forward to it. That week of rain and cold was I mean, it's good for you. Can't always be pleasant, but it really makes you appreciate days like this. Just checked my camera. I hope my warranty covers some of this, because it's done. It's not turning on. I had it plugged in for about an hour and a half. An external battery pack. Nothing. Not even getting a noise out of it. I guess the silver lining here is that I'm going to send it home, so my pack's getting lighter. But damn, made it 2,000 miles. So I guess if I figure I got that much out of it. I just hate breaking things. But honestly, you can't bring anything out here and not expect it to break. Oh well. It's officially clear. No more rain, no more clouds. A little off in the distance, but not bad. Just sat on that rock for like 2 hours, moping. But I bought a pair of shoes, a poncho, and a USB thingy to add more storage to my iPhone. And then I posted about my camera breaking, and a friend said he has a camera and he's mailing it to me, so I guess it's better. So I mailed the camera home, maybe they fix it. At least I was productive, but now my friends are like at least 2 hours ahead of me. So I got some hiking to do today. This area is pretty cool. It's been really rocky. And it just shoots down into this little open meadow. You see all these lines from water, maybe from the snow melt. Just wide open. I should know what this is, but I don't. Maybe that's Mount Jefferson. I don't think it's Mount Hood. I don't know. Just came over a ridge. Get to see the back side of this. I don't know if it comes through, but there are these streaks of red. Probably can't see it. I'm going to go down into here, get some water. Really nothing to say about that. Those trees just look wild sitting there, all dead. Probably a little windy. Just looking back, wide open views. Nice and warm. Heading up over that lip. Curious to see what it looks like over there. I popped over the ridge. Nice lake. I call it a lake, but it's a pond. Maybe it's just a pond. That right there is Party Boy. He's hiked 50 miles in a day before. Pretty insane dude. So I don't know. There are 2 other people there. I might say hello. Might keep on hiking. Not sure. Taking a little break up on a ridge. It's pretty windy. Having an early dinner. It's this instant brown and wild rice with quinoa. So it doesn't need water. You just need to squish it around a little bit. Threw some salami in there. It's really good. It's clear. I was on the other, like, maybe a quarter mile back and I had a view of this and it was completely clear, and now these clouds have just rolled in. They're moving pretty fast. What a great view. I think I'm going to end the day here. Short day, 18 miles. Amazing view though. Wasted a lot of time being frustrated with my camera. Then I was productive, and I think it might be my motherboard, so maybe that can be fixed. A friend sending me a camera he's not using, that's awesome. And spectacular views. Lastly, lost my friends again. I think they're maybe 5 miles ahead of me. Camped at another spot, so I'll catch them tomorrow. Just gonna wake up early. Cruddy things happen, but my spirits are still up, which is a good thing. And it's not raining. It is cold. Very nippy.